Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 7 of Chapter 1, Basic of Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. In our previous part, we have discussed about the GNU Linux file system hierarchy standard, brief summary of the file system, why learn and use GNU Linux. Linux is free and open source. Linux operating system is free from viruses. Easy to keep all the software up to date. Linux is flexible and easily customizable. Excellent support. In this part, let's start with computer network. Introduction. It is a group of interconnected computers or devices to have communication within themselves. A computer network consists of a collection of computers, printers, and other equipment that is connected together so that they are communicate with each other. In short, computer network is a collection of computers, printers, and other equipment that is connected together. Means it is a group of interconnected computers or devices to have communication within themselves. When you connect more than one computer to another, it forms a network. Types of networks. There are 3 types of network based on the geographical area they cover. That is LAN, MAN, and WAN. So, depending on the geographical area they cover, the types of networks are classified as local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. The entire use and implementation of these types depends upon the geographical area they cover. That is, LAN covers the smallest area, MAN covers an area larger than LAN, and WAN comprise the largest of all. Let's see first local area network, that is LAN. LAN covers smaller geographical area, means size is limited to a few kilometers and are privately owned. So LAN covers small geographical area and usage area is limited to areas such as an office building, home, hospital, schools, etc. It covers a short distance and so the errors and noise are minimized. So as compared to MAN and WAN, the errors in LAN is easy to determine the errors or defects. LAN is easy to set up. The setup of LAN is easy as compared to the MAN and WAN. Data transmits at a very fast rate as the number of computers linked are limited. Due to the less number of computers, the data transfer rate is fast. It is a less expensive hardware and maintenance cost is also low. To maintain the local area network, the maintenance cost is low as compared to the MAN and WAN. So, local area network covers smaller geographical area and are privately owned. These types of networks are generally private networks. Next type is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. MAN is larger area than that of LAN and smaller area as compared to WAN. It connects two or more separate computers that resides in the same or different cities. Means man is larger than LAN and smaller than WAN. It covers a large geographical area and may serve as an ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. It is hard to design and maintain a metropolitan area network. Internet service providers, that is ISP, belongs to this category, that is metropolitan area network. Man is hard to design and maintain a metropolitan area network is quite hard as compared to LAN. Examples of MAN are the part of the telephone company network that can provide a high-speed DSL line to the customer or the cable TV network in a city. So, telephone company network is an example of metropolitan area network. Third type is wide area network, that is WAN. Wide area network is a computer network that extends over a large geographical area. It might be confined within the bounds of a state or country. A WAN could be a connection of LAN connecting to other LANs via telephone lines and radio waves. So, wide area network is used to connect one state to another state or one country to another country. Wide area network may contain different LANs and MANs. The technology is high speed and relatively expensive. A communication medium used for WAN is telephone network or satellite link. Due to long distance transmission, the noise and error tends to be more in WAN. So, as compared to LAN and MAN, WAN is relatively very expensive, but the speed is high. The communication medium used for WAN is telephone network or satellite. And due to long distance transmission, noise and errors are more in WAN. So, these are the three most important types of network: local area network, LAN; metropolitan area network, that is MAN; and wide area network, that is WAN. Thank you.